7 minus 2 bracket 7 minus 2 equal what? Here 7 minus 2 gives us 5. Multiply this 7 minus 2 gives us 5. 5 times 5 gives us 25. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this, we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this, we have to work left to right also. Therefore, at first we have to work with this parentheses. Please hit the like button to support this channel. Here, this 7 minus 2 multiply. This 7 minus 2 gives us 5. Now I have to work with this multiplication because multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. Here this 7 minus this 2 times 5 gives us 10. 7 minus 10 gives us negative 3. And this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.